Welcome all. Today in this session, I'm going to tell you that how you can handle the authentication pop-up in Selenium. For this purpose, first of all, you have to understand what is authentication pop-up. Whenever you visit any link and you will see that it is showing you a pop-up at the same time is asking for the username and password in the pop-up, then this type of pop-up is known as authentication pop-up. How you will make sure that it is authentication pop-up? Like other pop-up, you will not get a inspect option so that you can find the id class and different type of option in your for this pop-up here. This is also not a javascript pop-up because reason is that it is not a javascript pop-up, so you cannot use your driver.switch to alert function in Selenium to handle it. Like using that function, you cannot enter the username and password in this alert box. So now now let me first of all show you that this thing is practically. So this is my, you can say, page, and I'm entering the URL. When I enter the URL, it is you can say opening the authentication pop-up. So let me show you that if I make a right click, and you will see that I'm not getting the option for inspect. Same thing is happening with this one, and same thing is happening with sign in. So actually you can say you are not getting any inspect option here to automate it. Now the question is that how you can handle it with the Selenium. So first of all, let me show you that how you can do it manually. Manually, you are just passing the credential admin and admin. So this is the demo site, and I will just give the URL of this demo site in the description of this video. So when I enter the admin and password, let me click on sign in. So when I click on sign in, you will see that it is going to show you this basic auth page, and it is showing you that you have already logged in properly. So now let me show you that if you want to handle this situation in Selenium, you can how you can handle it. To handle this situation in the you can say in Selenium, what will happen that you can do one thing. Whenever you are opening the URL in your browser, you use the function driver.get. So then in that case, whenever you are entering the URL, whenever you enter the URL in the driver.get, you have to use a specific format. And what is the format? That first of all, you have to do one thing. You have to start your website URL with the http the colon slash slash, and after that you have to write the username colon password, and then at the rate you have to give the path of your application here. So this is the, you can say, concept. This is the way to pass the username password while opening the browser, and it will automatically pick the credential from it and will log in into your application. So for this purpose, I've already written this program. So you can see here, this is the just to open the browser, and here you can say I've just put the URL. Like you can say I'm starting with http this one, then admin is username, then after colon I've given the password, and at the rate, this is the after at the rate, I'm just giving the URL of my, you can say, link for the, you can say, authentication. So now let me run this and you will see it is working fine or not. So let me run as Java application. So you can say what will happen whenever you are passing the credential like username password in such a way, it will open the browser, and at the same time when the pop-up will open, automatically it will pass the URL, it will pass the credential, and the pop-up will not be visible, and you will directly log into the, you can see your application. Now you can see here pop-up is not opened, and I directly log into the, you can see, my application. So in this way you can handle the, in this way you can handle the authentication pop-up in the Selenium. So now if you have any doubt, if you have any question, you can put on the comment of this video, and if you like the video, you can click on the like button. Now if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.